Hello, today's video is dedicated to children, parents and educators. So I'm going to be starting the day today by asking you a simple question. In the next few seconds, you've got to list down the 3 people that you love the most. Okay, so get ready. 1, 2, 3. Great. So I guess that you've got your list together. Now tell me one thing. Was your name there in your top 3? Are you your favorite? Do you love yourself? And if you were to make a list of the people that you really love, would your name figure in that? So let me tell you a story. You would have heard of the Jungle Book, and so I'm going to talk about some of their favorite characters today. So we had Sher Khan, Bagheera and Baloo all sitting together. Yes, all sitting together. Now, Sher Khan looked despondent and sad, and so did Bagheera and Baloo. Mowgli was just passing by and he saw the 3 of them sitting together and looking sad. So he just came up and said, "Hey guys, what's up? What's wrong? Why are you guys looking so sad?" So Sher Khan took a deep sigh and he just said that, "No one loves me." And Bagheera said, "Yeah, no one loves me too." And Baloo also said the same thing. "Oh yeah, no one loves me." Mowgli was taken aback and he said, "Guys, why are you saying that? Why would you say that no one loves you? Come on. Of course, I'm sure you love yourself, and of course people love you." Sher Khan looked at him in surprise and he says, "Come on, Mowgli. I am so ugly. I look mean. I mean, how can anyone love me? There's nothing about me to love." Bagheera says, "Yeah, just look at me. I'm so dark. If I was a bit fairer, maybe." Baloo then piped in, saying that, "Just look at me, guys. I'm so hairy and so fat. I mean, how can anyone love me? There's nothing about me to love." Mowgli looked at all 3 of them in absolute surprise and he just said that, "Oh, come on, guys. Is that what you see about yourself? Then let me tell you what I see in you. Sher Khan, you are so strong, so brave and so courageous. Bagheera, look at you, so kind and so wise and so supportive. And Baloo, you are the sweetest. You are so supportive and so helpful. You do anything to help anybody. I mean, what is there not to love you? Look at me. I'm funny, I'm cute, and I can always see the wonderful things in others and in myself. I love myself." Listening to Mowgli, the 3 of them looked at him and they smiled at each other and said, "Yeah, Mowgli, you're right. There is a lot about us that we can love." And they all hugged each other. So guys, this was one of my favorite stories. I hope you liked it too. And I want to tell you something. I love myself too, because I'm generous, I'm helpful, I'm intelligent, and I love to be with people. Would you like to tell me what you love about yourself?